You want to monetize your YouTube channel and your 4,000 watch hours completed. Now you are looking for 1,000 subscribers so that you can activate your monetization. Well, I have a fix for you. And this fix is what I've been using for about for some while now. And this is very, very common among those that are using or those that are doing faceless YouTube channel. Say, for example, you got your watch hour completed and subscriber is not coming, like you're not getting enough subscribers to monetize, to fully monetize that particular channel. Well, the fix I have for you is actually on YouTube, and I'm going to be sharing my screen with you to explain that better on how you can get a full monetization, especially your 1,000 watch hour on your video. So I'm going to start with YouTube. The first thing you want to do is you want to look for a viral video on short form. Like, come to YouTube, look for a viral video on short form. You can come to this short form and look for a viral video. A viral video in the sense that it has a lot of engagement. You can also enter that people other people's page to see if so. Viral means at least 1 million above, and this can actually be done in the niche you belong to. Say, for example, your own niche is music. You can go and look for some music that have gone viral and apply whatever I'm going to show you in this video. If your own niche is crime niche or anything, majorly using AI to create content, you can look for crime content on short and apply this thing that I want to. So let's say, for example, this particular channel is a fish channel. So what I will do is I'll look for someone or look for a particular popular video and check if the video is not posted last year or posted this year. So this particular video is posted last year. So you look for video that are posted this year. So you do your research. Make sure you do your research. Very, very important. Do your research and then make sure that particular video is posted this year. So let's say, for example, I want to use this particular guy right here, and I want to use the popular video. Make sure it is from this year and it's still getting engagement. So you come here and you click on this plus button. You click on it and then you are going to see all of this option. You click on collab and it's going to show you all of these things. And if you notice that there are a lot of other video here, all you have to do is just click on this, then extend to the end, and voila, your video is almost ready. Then you click on next, and voila, this is what is going to show to you. So instead of doing something like this, instead of filming something like this, what you want to do is just want to show your face by the side, because this particular video here is having a lot of engagement. You understand? It's having a lot of engagement. So there is high possibility that people want to watch that particular video and would also subscribe to your channel. I have tried this on, I think, about 4 channels, and it worked perfectly for me for monetization. Once you get your 1,000 subscriber, you can stop doing it. What you just want to do is just get your subscriber up. Then next to that is you click on this and you change this dimension, this layout. So you can decide to change to this one or this one or this one. So most of the time I always go for this particular one, and I click on the mark button and you record yourself without saying anything. Like, you record yourself without saying a word. Or you can change to something like this so that it's going to show the full frame for that particular thing. Or you come like this to show this full frame. Then you click on this and you start recording without saying anything. And if the particular niche you are into, if you can also get a video recording of whatever you are doing, it may not be your face. Maybe you can turn your phone to your screen to record whatever you want to record, so that the face of that your channel, which is not your face, is going to represent you understand what I'm trying to say? So this face that is mine is going to change to whatever niche you are really into. Do you understand? Then next on that is you click on next and you capture it, what this person captioned his video, so that it gets engagement and get subscribers also. So you caption it, whatever they caption it, and you click on upload. So when you do this, definitely your channel is going to get engagement and probably get, not even probably, it is going to get, because this is what I've tried severally, and trust me, it has worked for me severally. I have used this particular style to monetize a lot of my channel, and yeah, a lot of my channel. And another thing you should also try to do is note, always do a video that is in your niche. You're into Roblox content, use a Roblox content that is going viral to create that content, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to bring another audience from a particular channel to your own channel to get more engagement, and from there you also get more engagement. And then another thing is always try as much as possible to do this in like 3 times in a day. Like you upload 3 times in a, like 3 times in a day. So what you're trying to do is, when you follow your niche and you're try uploading 3 times in a week, in a day rather, engagement is going to come on that, on the first video, second video, and the third video. And your upload interval should be between 3 to 4 hours, so that it can give the first video enough time to breathe, like to get more engagement on it. And in this way, trust me, I have monetized a lot of channel, even some of my student channel with this particular strategy. And in case you're looking for where to learn more about YouTube automation, or you want to learn how to use AI to create content on social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and every non-popular every non-popular social media that are not really viral, but you can make money on them, well, you can reach out to me using the link in the description. And on that note, I'm going to see you on my next video, because you don't want to miss it. And in case you want to learn about YouTube automation, maybe on your own, you can check out this particular video, this video you are seeing here. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.